It's James here with Dreamscapes. I just wanted to give you this cool tour of one of my old landscapes that I did about a decade ago. This beautiful orange crystal rock. It is beautiful. Little caves inside the rocks. Just a dream to work with, especially for this water feature here. Oh yeah, what a paradise. So my clients live in Chino here and have this very small front yard. And we've been landscaping it and planting it up really nice. And doing some irrigation tweaks too. And now, we've been putting in a little bit of privacy lattice for the neighbors here. And some vines. And planting up these borders here. Looking very beautiful. Oh, look at this gorgeous Trex deck. Isabel. In the San Fernando Valley. This is a dreamscape. And it's always coming true.